Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ADMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and a whole bunch of volume today, so a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, actually, I think the price might have broken down below it. Let's see. Yeah, price actually did break down below this area of support. Off to the eye doctor I go. So we'll start with levels of resistance then, because this is actually now considered a level of resistance based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. And for the pretty much the entire day, right up around 5:15 was that level of support. But then during the final 30 minutes right there, the price ultimately did break down through there. So the first, if there is going to be any sort of recovery at all, 5:15 is going to be that first key level that needs to be broken. If the price can push up through there, then the next key level of resistance after that would be up here around the $5.50 mark. So 5:15 and 5:50, the next couple areas of resistance going into Wednesday. Now, as far as levels of support are concerned, this is where you're going to have to get a little bit more proactive as a trader. And I say that because as of right now, the key level to watch is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, though, because, yes, right now it is valued at 409. But as Wednesday and the rest of the week plays out, that line is going to move, and therefore that value is going to move and change around. So yeah, 409 is the current value, but Wednesday at 9:10, or excuse me, 9:45, 10, 10:15, 10:30, that value is going to change. So keep an overall eye on that. If the price somehow just gets crazy beat down to the downside and goes all the way back to there, I would definitely call right around $4.15 a must-hold level, because if the price were to break down below $4.15, that would literally be putting the price right back to where it was before this big old breakout happened. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength or anything like that. So we'll see how it plays out, but yeah, rough final 30 minutes, and we'll see if that was just a false breakdown, or is that some sort of kind of leading indicator of a bigger breakdown. Only time will tell. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.